nautical miles north of Port Mansfield to Baffin Bay, Texas. Laguna, Madre from the Arroyo, Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Laguna, Madre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado. Waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 3:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 63 nautical miles southwest of East Breaks 228 to 29 nautical miles east of Laguna, Madre to 9 nautical miles northwest of Port Mansfield, moving south at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Mansfield, South Padre Island, Laguna, Madre, Queen Isabella Causeway, Laguna Vista and Port Isabel. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special